really excited to show you how you can actually record your screen using one of the best image generations slash editor tools that you can find on the web, and it's very, very cheap to get. So this is Rapidemo, and I'm really excited to bring this to you. This is exactly the software I use right now. You can see me. You can see like the zoom happening over here on the screen, scrolling. You can see everything that is zooming in. Yeah, this is exactly Rapidemo running right now, and I will show you the interface and everything very, very soon. So what are the features of Rapidemo and why I actually suggest using it if you create tutorials, if you do product showcases, or in general, if you want to have a high quality, recording. You can create engaging videos with zoom animation. So it automatically adds this kind of zoom animations that you see right now. It also has like camera zoom. So when it zooms to the screen, it zooms out the camera, which I really like. It also allows you like to place the camera wherever you want with whatever style you want, drop shadow. It's able to, have vertical screen for search or actually square screen with a click of a button, which is amazing. You don't have to restructure anything. And it also comes with a easy to use editor. So you don't just pay for video recording and automatic animations. You also get a video editor where you can like place your cursor, change the cursor, the background. You can do this nice layout that you see on current video. So yeah, I think this is very, very nice. And the quality is very, very good. I talked with the creator of the tool to add more options for the quality because I like to have a little bit less quality videos. I can render it and upload it faster. But this is a very new tool and I very, very much like it. All of the videos, tutorials that you see on this channel are through this tool. So I want to showcase it to you. The link for it is down below in the description if you want to join in and start using it to create your own videos and tutorials. It's very easy to, edit, change things. And I will show you just right now how you can use the editor, how you can use the recorder. It's absolutely great. And yeah, I think we should jump into the software to show you exactly what you can do with it. But before we do, I just want to talk about the Rapidemo. So yearly billing is only $9 per month. You can use it on 3 computers. On Windows, you get all of the features, lifetime updates. That's like pretty easy, pretty amazing, very good offering. Monthly, it's $19. Literally, guys, this is very, very cheap for such a tool that will save you so much time and will make your videos so much more engaging. Really, this Zoom thing is so good. It's you literally have an automatically edited video just with the Zoom. You don't need anything else. And results on my channel have showed that I get like 50% to 60% more watch time. This is a big deal. My watch time jumped from 2 minutes like to 3.5 minutes just by this. And you can also pay in once, so you get to buy it for a full year with a click of a button. But I would highly suggest that you go with this $9 per month billed yearly. This is like the best option, and you also get lifetime updates. So I think that's the best option. And I think it's worth a try. You can go for a single month. There's also like, I think, free trial. I'm not sure. They also have an extensive documentation to get you started to understand everything. But let's jump into the software so I can show you my exact process. All right, so really quickly, when you open up Rapidemo on your computer, you have 3 options: screen, window, where you select a specific window, and area, where you can select an area where you will record and click record area. Here you can select your camera and here the microphone. You can have no camera, but you can also select one of your cameras, one of your microphones, and click the record button. That's all you need to do, and you can also add notes that are visible on the screen and you can see them. Here you can see the previous project you've got, and these are for editing. You can open them up, delete them, or just reveal them in File Explorer. When you export video after editing, which you will see in just a minute, you get this video.mp4 file, and this is the video, the final output. And this is the file with all of the edits. So you just want to use this and upload it on YouTube. So that's all for it. Let's jump into the content. Alright, so right now I'm using OBS to capture my screen. So you can see already the difference. It looks a lot worse. And here is how the Rapidemo video editor looks like. So the previous clip that you've seen, it's right here, right now. So we're going to see how we can do some sub edits to it to get it into production. And here you can zoom out really on the timeline. I really like this feature. Here you can set like the resolution, etc, etc. You know, just go for this resolution, and you can also create presets over here. More on that later on. So the first thing I want to cover is this is the timeline. This is where all of the clips and effects are. So I'm going to get started with screen recording. So I usually do a little bit of a less padding, like 7.7. I also change the radius to like that. I don't change the shadow alpha, but you can also crop the video if you want to. The screen recording, this is like the camera recording. I place it on this side, reduce the radius, reduce the size a little bit. Let's just do a single change here. Let's reduce this a little bit, better like this way. All right, close this, close this. On the background, you have some stock background. You can add specific gradients, you can add specific colors, or like upload an image to act in the background. All up to you. Cursor, this is like the cursor. I usually go with dark. I think I also decrease the size a little bit. And I'm not really sure if I have it more smooth. I don't think I've changed this thing. Zoom animations, this is to set the zoom animation level. I usually reduce this so it is not very strange, and I don't change anything else. Subtitles, I've never tried generating subtitles, but there is an option for that. Let's try that. Maybe it's worth it. And here you can actually play the recording. So my computer is lagging right now because we generate the subtitles. I don't know how to stop this process, in all honesty. It downloads the encoder model right now. That's what it does. So let's play the video. Okay, so this is like the video. Let's go into the zoom, and here you can see the zoom animation, which you can move around by just clicking on it. Okay, here you can click on a clip, pause. Okay, you can like place this here, and you can split at cursor to do cuts, delete segments. I'm not going to go into that. It's pretty simple to do. You can also like right click to add a zoom animation on specific spot. You can drag the sidebars of the zoom animation to make it smaller. So everything is lagging right now because the subtitle thing is running on the background, which is not an easy thing to do. Let me tell you, my friends, this is not very simple. So yeah, you can click like generate subtitles, and it's going to start generating the subtitles. So I have found like what I really like about this in terms of actions. I have edited everything. Let's say, for example, I use this mostly for recording and having the automatic zooms. Then I pass it into Adobe Premiere to stream out everything and just do quick checks. So it's a two-step process for me, but you can just one-step it. So after I've done all of these, I usually have like a preset. So you can add new to create a preset with the layout you want. So this is like my main preset, which looks like that. It has specific zoom numbers, specific animations, specific everything. Then you can go into export to save your video. And here you can select your resolution, your aspect ratio, export video. And you can actually find the video. I will show you exactly how you can find the video just right now. But yeah, this is pretty much the editor part of this tutorial.